is called KFC. I actually found him when he was a baby, laying on his back, half dead, blue as anything. So I picked him up and took him inside and put him in the heat lamp. Excuse my wobbling because I'm having problems with, I just still having 3rd week on my knee replacement. This two here, that beautiful boy there and that girl, is called Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie, I'm not sure what breed she is. Someone might tell me. Clyde is a part frizzle, but he's absolutely gorgeous. He stands about 2 foot high. There's some of the, oh, that one there is Roger. Danny boy, the pipes are calling. Danny boy. I'm only getting about 1 egg at the moment off one of these girls. I don't know. Like I said, we're going to take some of the males out. Now, silkies, if you don't know, they have 5 toes. Roger's getting a bit old. 5 toes, and they have black skin and blue bones. And there's KFC. There's Rusty. See, Rusty's not very old. He's only about 6 months old. But he's starting to try with the ladies.